Hi guys, what's up? I'm Rich and you are watching Rich TV.
It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird.
So in today's video, I'll be taking you through the process by which I paint my own fake nails, and all of the products that I'll be using are labeled on the screen for you all. So I'll be starting off by trying to find the correct nail sizes for my nails, and for that I just have to take a nail tape, put it on my finger and see whether it fits perfectly or if it's too big or too small. If it's too big, then I can file it off and make it the correct size, but if it's too small, then that won't work. I can try it on another nail or just keep it away. So after finding the correct nail sizes, now I'll have to file off the excess plastic that's on the tip of these nails. I'll insert a picture right here. This is what it looks like, and obviously that's not a good look, so you have to file it off. Along with that, I'll also be filing the area that will go around the cuticle to make it more curved so that it fits nicely, and also the edges of the tip so that it's not as sharp, otherwise I'll just poke somebody or myself. As I said earlier, if a nail is too big for your finger and you cannot find a replacement, you can always file it off and make it the right size. So that is not a problem. So now I'll be using these magnetic nail holders so that I can mount the nails on top of them so that I can paint them easily. To stick on the nails on top of the nail holder, I'll just be using some Blutack, which is a reusable adhesive.
I'm getting paid, bitch. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I? She tastes flavors. Who am I? I'm the greatest. Who am I? I'm getting paid, bitch. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I? She tastes flavors.
So now I'll be painting my first nail with the color purple, and the way I'm going about it is one nail from the left hand and one nail from the right. So now I'm slowly painting the nail. You can see it's a slow process, but you have to make sure you're coating the entire nail, since this is a fake nail and not your own, and it's not even on your hand. So you can make use of that and just rotate the nail and paint it nicely. Make sure you cap the tip, which simply means just seal the free edge of the nail so that your nail polish does not chip as easy.
Hey bitch, who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I? She tastes flavors. Who am I? I'm the greatest. Who am I? I'm getting paid, bitch. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I? She tastes flavors.
now I'm going with this turquoise green kind of shade for my middle finger. I actually wanted it to be my ring finger, but then I don't know, I just decided I'll just go with the middle finger. You know, my life, my rules. Since this is a beautiful color, I decided that it needs more nail real estate and the middle finger had more of it, so I just went with that. So after that, I'll be painting a second coat of the purple nail polish to make it a little more opaque. For the ring fingers, I'll be using the dotting tools along with the turquoise green nail paint to create a simple floral dotted design. Now we're done.
Who am I? I'm getting paid, bitch. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I?
Now I'm going to be using the purple glitter nail polish on all of the purple nails.
I'm getting paid, bitch. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I? She tastes flavors.
I wasn't satisfied with the amount of glitter that nail polish had, so I just decided to use some loose purple glitter onto the nails. Now I'm just gonna be putting a top coat on top of the glitter layer so that I can seal the deal.
Who am I? I'm getting paid, bitch. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I? She tastes flavors. Who am I? I'm the greatest. Who am I? I'm getting paid, bitch. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I? She tastes flavors.
Now I'm going to be using the green or blue nail polish for the turquoise nails, and this was just so hard to open, I had to use my teeth. Now I'm just applying some top coat on the ring fingernails. now I think this is the second layer of top coat, after which I'll be done. Now I'm gently removing the Blutack from the back of the nails, and if you see there's some stuck at the back, then just use the Blutack and stick it onto it until it comes off. It's super easy. So this is all the Blutack I used to stick on the nails. Since this is reusable, you can just keep it back and use it the next time. Isn't that awesome? Before putting on the nails, it's important you prep your nails. So for that, I'll be using the nail file from PEP Nails. I've already made a video about PEP Nails, so you can check it out by clicking the I button. This nail file actually has a few steps to help you prep your nails, which comes in really handy, and I only use this nail file to prep my nails. I absolutely love it. So after prepping my nails, I'll be using some hand sanitizer to clean the surface of my nails as well as remove some excess oils. Now I'm using a cuticle pusher to lightly push back my cuticles. And now I'll be applying a thin layer of the nail glue and sticking the nail on top of my finger and holding it in place so that it sticks properly. And remember guys, you only need a thin layer of the nail glue, so please don't overdo it. After I've stuck on all of the nails, I'll just be giving it another press in order to make sure the nails are sitting right.
Who am I? I'm the greatest. Who am I? I'm getting paper.
To finish it off, I just put on some lotion to give my manicure a salon-like finish. So that's it for the video guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and of course subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you are notified every time I post.